Alright, hey guys, and today I'm going to help you set up Toontown Archipelago. And not just the game, but also how to set up your own solo randomizer, or how to set up a seed to run a game. First thing you will do is go to the releases page for the Toontown Archipelago. The link for this will be in the description. And so right now we're on version 0.8.4, and we'll scroll down to here. And the only things you will need to worry about are these top three files here. Here we have our example Toontown YAML. This is each player's setting file for Toontown. So you'll go through here and edit anything to what you want. So I'll go and download that. And then we will download the Toontown AP world. This is what tells Archipelago itself that Toontown is a thing, because Toontown is not officially part of Archipelago. So we'll need this to be able to tell it, hey, we're gonna run Toontown. So we download that as well. And then we need ttap.zip. This one right here is the game, so we'll go ahead and download that as well. While that is all downloading, we'll actually go to the Archipelago website here, and this will also be linked in the description, and we'll scroll down to the bottom. Here there's a source code link, and so you're going to click that, and this will take you to their GitHub. And from here, you'll need to go to the releases thing on the right here, and go and click this. This will take you to the Archipelago release page, and you'll scroll down to the bottom, and you'll download whatever one you need for your operating system. For Windows, you'll download the setup Archipelago 0.4.6.exe. I won't download this again because I already have it installed, but you'll grab this and run the installer. From there, we will go to our downloads folder. And we'll also open the Archipelago client. So it'll open this when you have that for here. What we're going to do is we'll need to go to click Browse Files right here, and this will open the Archipelago root folder. From here, we will want to go to the lib folder, worlds, and then we'll drag and drop or cut and paste the Toontown AP world file into the worlds folder. I already have it in here, so well, it's telling me to replace, but it won't be in here normally, so you'll just drag and drop it in there. I'm working on some development stuff right now, so I actually won't replace my AP world, but that's how you do that. And then we'll go back to the Archipelago folder by clicking this, and go to Players. I have a test YAML in here right now, but I'll go ahead and delete that, and then we'll open this example underscore toontown.yaml. You can use Notepad or whatever to edit it. Just make sure it keeps this file extension .yaml. I know if you do Notepad, it will save it as a text file. You'll just have to change it back to a .yaml. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And the only thing that's required to be edited is this thing right here. This is what tells Archipelago what slot you are running, or what's your player name. So something unique. We'll just, for the purpose of this, we'll just name it Turkey, and then we'll close it. And then you can either save as or just save it here. But the only thing you're gonna have to do is rename this. Just rename it to whatever you want, just like Turkey TT for Toontown. It doesn't matter. I already have one name like that in there, but I'll just rename it test YAML. So I will actually drag and drop this into this Archipelago players folder, and that will tell Archipelago when we generate the seed what settings I want. So from there, we will go back to the Archipelago launcher and click generate. This might crash because it's good. So I'll click generate. What this does is actually make the seed. So we go from here, we'll go to Archipelago output. I have one in here from before, but the one I'm looking at is right here because this is from right now. I like to put these somewhere that's more accessible because it makes the next step easier. So I can drag and drop this into like downloads just for accessibility's sake. So what I can do from here is go back to the Archipelago website, the base Archipelago website, and click this Get Started drop down here. And then we'll do host game because we've already made our game. Click upload file, and we'll do this archipelago.ap underscore some numbers dot zip and open that into here. And then we will click create new room. Then what this has done is created a new archipelago session for us to connect to in-game to be able to run. From there, we will right-click this and extract it to its own folder. So if you have a WinRAR, you can do extract to TPP /. So we'll extract that to its own folder, and we'll go in. So everything here is all you need to run the game. If you're running by yourself, you'll just double-click this startall.bat. You might get some pop-ups about some firewall stuff. You're just all running on your computer. It's fine. Just allow it. And this will start all those things up, the district and all that. To play, you go to this client one right here. And if you're playing by yourself and you're not playing a district, you can just press enter twice. Because this is like your username, like if you're logging in the corporate clash or something, this would be like your username for to log in. Then the IP, you can just leave this alone because if you are connecting to yourself, you would put something here if you wanted to play co-op with another toon on the same district. So we can leave both those blank, press enter twice, and it will open up the game. And then from there, we can make a toon. I'm just going to go through here real quick. Name doesn't matter, so don't bother too much here. And then once we're in game. So you'll get a pop-up when you start playing, and in order to connect, you get to use slot name, exclamation point slot name. Your slot name is this right here. So we'll do exclamation point, slot, and since mine's turkey, we'll put turkey here. This will also update your toon name. Your toon name is what represents your slot. See? And since it's gray still, because you're still not connected to Archipelago. To connect to Archipelago, the easiest way to do that is to go back to this page, and then we'll copy paste everything from here but the slash. And we'll go here, back in Archipelago, exclamation point, paste. With Control V, and it'll paste this here. You can also just look back and forth and type it in. And then we'll put that in, and now we are connected to Archipelago. As we can see, I started with Squirt and Drop and Toontown Central HQ access. It's that simple to get this all set up, and then from here you can just play the game. Thank you for watching.